happens if I connect two tiny motors together and spin just one by hand? Will one blow up? Will the other one spin? Or will something weird happen? These are just two small DC motors, like mini wind turbines. Heck, let's add a tower too. First, let's demo the wind turbine the way they normally work. When I spin the propeller by hand, the green tower creates electricity. That's why the voltmeter shows a voltage and the LED lights up. So now the motor is acting like a generator. Same device, different job. That's how wind turbines get the power from the wind. Now let's do the opposite. When I provide power to the green tower, the propeller spins on its own. That means it's in motor mode. One little device can either make motion from electricity or make electricity from motion. Now here's the fun part. We now have a new pink tower. So now I'm going to connect them together with wires. Watch closely. When I turn one propeller, the other one moves too. That means the green tower is acting like a generator, sending power to the pink tower. The pink tower is responding like a motor. The motion is being converted into electricity and then back into motion again. There's no batteries or power sources involved, and just my hand and the two motors. Now watch this. If I turn the green propeller the opposite direction, the pink propeller changes direction too. Why? Because DC motors have polarity. Reverse the rotation, that changes the direction of the current, and the other motor follows. So this tiny setup reveals something amazing. A motor can become a generator can become a motor, and the two connected together can mirror each other through electricity alone. Tiny machines, big physics. Want to learn about other forms of energy? Click here.